Guys, welcome back to my channel Triple R Talent. Hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'm going to show the easiest way how to draw Jangkook BTS member. So for face outlinings I use 2B pencil, as you can see I'm using, and for face measurements I used 2HB pencil. HB pencil is lighter than 2B. And guys, by following all these methods I'm showing in this video, you can also create art like this, because I'm showing this easily and step by step for beginners. And for drawing the shine in hair, you have to use 8B pencil, because 8B pencil is the much darkest pencil, which I also used in this video. For blending the nose, eyes and lips I use blending stamps only just in this video. By the way, you can also use cotton buds and even tissue paper. And if you have any problem in drawing, so you can just text me in the comment section and I'll help you there. So guys, if you really like my art, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you can receive new art videos and shorts from my channel.